Hello guys, welcome back to Manchu Adverse. Guys, today I'll be talking about a very interesting and important topic which is called as why do we call butterflies as butterflies? Have they got anything to do with butter? Well, we all know that butterflies are colorful insects, right? But they have absolutely nothing to do with butter. Then why on earth, that is the question, why on earth do we call them as butterflies, right? Well, nobody knows about the exact origin from where we got this particular name for these insects, but the story goes back to early Europe when people used to find butterflies mostly which were yellow in color, right, which was the color of butter. So people started calling these insects as butter colored flies, which eventually turned into butterflies, right? So now that is how this name is prevalent. The second story I have is very stranger than you might imagine. It says that in the medieval Europe, people started believing that there were witches who could disguise themselves or could turn them into butterflies and would go to people's houses to steal milk and butter or other dairy products, right? So that is how in the second story we have a relation of butterflies with butter, right? In the first also we had. So basically that is how the second story goes. The third story goes to Germany and to early times, where there is a word schmetterling which means butterfly, and when we try to find the origin of this particular word, it is somewhat related to dairy products only. So in all the three stories we have a direct relation of butterflies with butter, right? There are some interesting facts that I would like to tell you about. For example, butterflies taste with their feet. Some butterflies can see ultraviolet colors that humans can't, right? The largest butterfly in the world has a big wingspan bigger than a dinner plate, right? So these were some of the interesting facts that I just told you. Thank you guys for listening to my video. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. Thank you.